Creating a landing page in Constant Contact is an effective way to capture leads, promote offers, or drive specific actions. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Constant Contact account. Visit Constant Contact's website and log in. Access landing pages. From the dashboard, navigate to Campaigns and select Create Campaign. Choose Landing Page from the campaign options. Select a template. Browse the available landing page templates and choose one that fits your needs. Templates are customizable and help you get started quickly. Customize your landing page. Use the drag and drop editor to add and arrange elements such as text, images, buttons, and forms. Customize the design to align with your brand and message. You can also add a form to collect visitor information. Add content. Enter your content, including headlines, descriptions, and any calls to action. Ensure that the page is clear and compelling to drive conversions. Set up page details. Configure settings such as the landing page URL, SEO options, and thank you message that users will see after submitting the form. Preview and test. Preview your landing page to check its appearance on different devices. Test all functionalities to ensure everything works correctly. Publish. Click Publish to make your landing page live. Share the landing page URL through email, social media, or embed it on your website.